Okay, guys, it's time. Are you all ready? Let's go. There they are, the first shipment of Vision Pros being brought to the store right now. I say let's go get them. Let's just grab the boxes right now. Luckily, no one's at Electrify America. Thank God. We've arrived. Oh no. I can see them. They're real. Fragile. Must be Italian. We're starting.
We'll bring you guys on in, okay?
All right.
Yeah.
We're getting out. That's pretty. Wow. I should get one of those. It's raining. We gotta keep it dry. It's not IP rated. Keep it dry. Why is a Model Y charging at the E8? Stop it. We just picked up Apple Vision Pro from the Apple Store. Shout out to all the very nice Apple employees that seem to have gotten familiar with me coming by each time. First off, wow, that's loud. These paper tabs, they make so much noise. This box is way bigger than I thought. I have to unbox it in the back seat because I don't think there's enough room in the front seat. That was a little quieter. We go a tad slower. Let's slide up so we can see it for its true beauty. Whoa! Oh my God. There's so much fabric. There's so much mesh. Look at all this. Oh, it's got a little cradle with it. Ooh, this material feels really soft. This is nice. Okay, I'm finally holding it in my hands. Let me pull off. It's like this. Oh my goodness, that looks expensive. Look at all the glossiness. I can already tell the weight. It's up there. This thing is very front heavy, that's for sure. This is not the only headband it comes with, by the way. Let me do my best not to drop it. I was actually the first person with one coming out of the Apple Store. Everybody else wanted the demo. I was like, screw that. I want to try this thing myself. Ooh, those lenses are reflective. You can see a little upside down image like a spoon. There is no spoon. But everybody else was waiting for their demos and they didn't get one. So I was the first person to walk out of the store with one. Hopefully the Face ID scan did its job properly and this will fit my face fairly well. Before even unboxing the rest of it, I just want to try it on really quick. Whoa, pretty comfortable already. I know it's not booted up or anything, but the size feels perfect. I didn't even adjust the dial. Oh, and I can tighten it down if I need. It's like a giant digital crown right next to my real digital crown. All right, okay, little heavy. Might take some getting used to. Might need to play around with some other headbands, but let's actually try setting up this dang thing. Here it is, the magic battery, as it was supposed to be called, but they changed their mind. Man, this actually has quite a bit of weight to it too. Whatever you do, don't look inside this non-removable cable because it turns out there's a Lightning Pro. Apple's really mad at the EU, I guess. Lovely brick of aluminum. You wanted to know where the Apple logo is? There it is. They found a way to keep it on there. And this is actually not magnetic, despite what all of us thought. This is just something that you kind of click and twist onto the headset, and that way it's a little bit more firm. It's not as easy to pop off accidentally because everyone's going to be running around doing jumping jacks with this thing on. Pop. All right, there's our piece of paper. There's our new proprietary plug. Sorry, European Union. Hopefully this is already charged. It should be. It does charge via Type-C at least, so it has that going for it. And we're on. It's blinking. Put it on, quick. I want to experience spatial computing. I saw a white light blinking. Now we gotta see if these screens actually boot up. Ooh, all right. There's a little visual to align your eyes, telling me to push down on the digital crown to align my eyes. Whoa, the displays are literally moving. That's trippy. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. Whoa, the pass-through just activated. I can see everything. Whoa, there's a hello that appeared in front of me. I really want to share this with you guys, but I know you can't see it. Press digital crown to begin.
Your eyes and hands are how you navigate Apple Vision Pro.
Wow, there's a big tile in front of me. It's giving me another demo. I already know all this stuff. Wow.
The scroll
This is trippy. How do I skip the tutorial? I need expert mode. I watched all the YouTube videos already. That's trippy. When I first put it on, it looked a little blurry, and then it told me to hold down the digital crown to like sync my eyes up, and then it just immediately like all got in focus and pretty sharp. Okay, press the digital crown to set up your eyes and hands. I need to set up my eyes? Look at your hands to set up. I feel like I'm at the doctor's office. Okay. These are my hands. Flip your hands over. With this, I can see colors. It says hand setup complete. Adjusting lighting. Oh, it got much darker in here. Look at the dot and tap your fingers together to select it. Okay, I'm gonna keep my fingers down here. I looked at it. That felt pretty responsive. Select all the dots around the circle. Do I have to look at them while I'm doing so? Wow, it makes very pretty sounds. I feel like my eyes are really snappy because I'm able to look around at all these dots. I'm speed running through this setup process to see how quickly I can initiate everything. Completing your eye setup. Dang, this pass-through is spooky good. It honestly doesn't look that different from my real eyes. That's freaky. Persona. Should we set that up? Ooh, there's the eyesight display.
Keep your arms and shoulders relaxed.
I'm so relaxed.
Align your entire face.
I see my face on there. That's so weird. Look at this.
Move Vision Pro a little bit to the right. Move Vision Pro a little bit to the left. Move Vision Pro a little bit to the right. Move Vision Pro a little bit to the right.
This is like an IQ test. Can you listen?
Adjust your head by turning it slightly right. Move Vision Pro a little bit to the right. Move Vision Pro a little bit to the right.
I'm trying to show you guys how this looks, but I might be
Move
confusing
Vision
it.
Pro a little bit to the right.
Impatient much.
Move Vision Pro a little bit to the right. Move Vision Pro back a little.
Okay, it's green.
Slowly turn your head to the right. Now, slowly turn your head to the left. Now, tilt your head up. Then tilt your head down. Next, let's capture your facial expressions.
Oh no.
Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment.
Feels like a prank.
Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
Feels like they are gonna post embarrassing pictures of me on the internet. That's okay, Vision Pro, I do that already. Yeah, things get blurry about right here. If I hold something this close to my eyes, it's pretty blurry, but about here, oh! My face. I look weird. Look here for Optic ID. Done. That's all it took. You just had to look at one part of the screen for Optic ID to work. All right, I'm setting the passcode now. The scrolling was really weird. It just started working so fast. I feel like the virtual content is a lot sharper than the real world. When things are about right here, they look pretty sharp. But yeah, you can't get too close. It's kind of like you have poor vision, ironically. With my own eyes, I can see things a lot more in focus. But it's probably good for my eyes to be focusing on things a little further back. What's cool is the process is activating. I'm just looking at displays of the real world, and I can still look through this packaging. We get a 30-watt charge brick included. Yeah, I can't hold it like I'm used to about here, but here looks good. There is a lot more noise in the darker parts of the car. I noticed the weight. I can definitely tell there's a lot of weight suspended on the front of my head, but I've been wearing it for a while now. I don't feel that uncomfortable. I feel like I can get used to this. And this isn't even the more comfortable band. They claim the other band is more comfortable. Also, the audio quality sounds really good. I can't hear any fans running either. I wonder if there's fans going.
Yeah, your eyes aren't very clear.
I'm just trying to finish my setup here, but you can see my eyes?
Yeah, but it's very pixely.
Is there like color
Yeah.
over them? Oh, interesting.
You just blinked. You're blinking.
I'm blinking a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking to the right, to the left. Can you tell?
Yeah.
Right,
There's some
left,
glare in
right,
here.
left.
But it looks like too high on your face.
Oh, yeah.
Like your eyes look
Is that
like
better? I'm gonna type in my password. This is
now
so
people know
weird.
your password.
Right, I closed the window, press digital crown to open home. I think we're set up. Took a little longer. It kept asking if I wanted to restore from a backup. It's like, this is literally the first one ever. Why would there be a backup? Okay, I'm on the home screen. First things first. Oh, it's way up there. Control center is really high. Boom. It's recording. So now you guys, hopefully, should be able to see what I see. And we just swipe back and forth to access our apps. That's so trippy. By the way, they can see you now, hon. Hi.
Oh, they can see me?
How do I look?
Weird. You look like I have a giant jelly bean on your face.
That's so weird. Environments. Where do you want to go? Morning light? That's Hawaii. Should I go to Hawaii, Louise? Okay,
Yes.
let's go to Hawaii. Turn the digital crown. Sorry, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm here. Whoa, but it's only in half of my view. Like, your face is there, but when I turn the crown, I'm more immersed in all of Hawaii. Oh, and it's three-dimensional. This is so weird.
Am I in Hawaii?
Oh, but my hands. Yeah, I can see your face. Just a little
Beach
bit.
behind me?
Just a little faded. You're in the clouds.
Oh, okay.
You look like a goddess among the heavens. Wow. Oh, wow. I didn't think it would look this cool, but I can still see my hands. My hands are still there. But then if I push the digital crown, I can switch to Mount Hood. Ooh, now I'm at a lake. Whoa. And it's raining out there. Is it raining? Oh, and you can see the little ripples in the lake. Oh my God, I can still see you through everything. Oh, wow. This is nuts. Holy crap. That looks so real. Okay, I'm gonna hit the digital crown again. Where else could we go? Ooh, let's go to the moon. Why not? Wow, that was easy. Move back, you're too close to an object. Oh, sorry, it probably sees me getting close to the roof. There's Earth, way up there. There's the lunar rock. See, I thought we went to the moon because it was hard. Now it's not so hard. Joshua Tree, where is this? Ooh, kind of a rocky location. That's so weird how much depth there is. I can move around and like see around things. Oh, that's nuts. Okay, let me try the dinosaur demo, Encounter Dinosaurs, because I've heard so much about this stupid Rajasaurus. What does it say? Feel free to explore, but stay aware of your surroundings. No, I would like to run into my surrounding. I'm sure the screen recording isn't as immersive as what I'm experiencing right now. So I think I hold out my finger. This is what everybody else told me to do. There's a butterfly. Oh my God, he's in the car. Oh, and he's on my finger. Hello. I feel like I'm on drugs. Bye, butterfly. He's flying towards you. Louise is looking at me like, okay, Drew, we're putting you in the mental ward now. Ooh, there's a window opening up. Oh, there's a little tiny dinosaur down there. He's got a long neck. Oh, he's trying to crawl, but he can't. That's embarrassing. There's so much detail. He's trying to chase the butterfly. Are you gonna eat it or what? Crawling closer to me. Hello, he sees me. Hi, bud. Watch out for them asteroids. I don't know what you're saying. I don't speak that language. Oh, I hear a roar. I think he's afraid. Oh no, he fell off the rock. That's embarrassing. Oh, there it is. That's big. Oh man, his arms are weird. You gonna come this way, bud? Ooh, ooh, don't look at me that way. No, I don't like it. Ooh, ooh. Wow, he really gets close to you, doesn't he? Hello. Oh God, too close, too close. How do I back you up? The little window's not showing up. Why don't you pick on someone your own size, huh? Ooh, ooh. This is my Apple Vision Pro box. You cannot have it. I don't care what you say. And stop running for Congress. There's another one? Yeah, you guys go play. Do your own thing. Ooh, the tail's flying everywhere. Well, I'm gonna edit this video now, and I'm gonna edit it using Apple Vision Pro just to see what that experience is like to have my big external monitor. But we'll do lots more videos after this, of course. I appreciate you guys for sticking around, watching with me, even though I know I'm probably the last person to unbox this today. But thank you all for supporting directly. It seriously helps us out a ton, as does just watching these videos. This is your Apple Sheep here, and I will see you all in the next one. I'm never taking this off.